Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make soft mango, a delicious Dominican dish. To start, it's crucial to select the right plantains. You'll need firm, green, unripe ones, typically 4 of them, as yellow plantains will make your mango sweet. Beyond the plantains, gather salt, about 4 tablespoons of butter, and some water. Don't forget the pickled red onions, which truly elevate the flavor profile of this comforting meal. Now, let's get those plantains ready for cooking. First, carefully peel your 4 green plantains and cut them into manageable 1 to 2-inch chunks. Place these pieces into a large pot, cover them with water, and add a generous pinch of salt. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook the plantains for about 15 to 25 minutes, or until they are very tender and easily pierced with a fork. Remember to reserve about 1 to 1 and 1/4 cups of this starchy cooking water before draining. Once your plantains are perfectly tender, it's time to mash them into that signature soft mango. Immediately after draining, return the hot plantains to the pot. Add about 4 tablespoons of softened butter and begin mashing. Gradually incorporate the reserved cooking water, adding it a few tablespoons at a time until you achieve a smooth, creamy, and lump-free consistency. A potato masher works well, but for extra smoothness, an immersion blender is fantastic. Keep in mind that mango will thicken as it cools, so aim for a slightly looser texture than your final desired consistency. Your soft mango is now ready to be enjoyed. The traditional way to serve it is topped with delicious sautéed or pickled red onions, which add a wonderful tangy contrast. It's best to serve mango immediately after preparation, as its texture will firm up considerably as it cools. For a classic Dominican breakfast, pair your mango with fried white cheese, fried salami, and a perfectly cooked egg. If you have leftovers, simply reheat with a splash of water to restore its creamy softness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.